Yo, what's up guys? Today I want to show you how you can easily improve your music videos in a few clicks. For today's tutorial, we'll use the AutoVFX plugin that you can find on our website, but don't worry, I will add a link in the description for that. After you've downloaded the AutoVFX plugin, you should have a zip file. For that, you can use any ZXP installer, we'll use this one, and just drag and drop the file here. Now close the ZXP installer, reopen Premiere Pro, go to Window, Extensions, and you should find here the AutoVFX plugin. Now select your footage, click on Start and wait a few seconds. As you can see, a new interface just opened, and now all you have to do is add here your prompt. For this example, we'll use an frozen effect. Now that we've added our script, I will use AI to enchant it for better results. Perfect. We can change our mode from auto to relight, background or VFX, but for this example we'll stick to auto, and also you can add a reference image. We have one right here that we've created with AI. Now just click on generate and wait a little bit. After your video is ready, review it, and if it's what you are looking for, just click on import. This is our result and we are happy with it, so we'll just click import. Now you can see here the final version, and if you don't like it, you can just go here and start again. We hope this tutorial helped you to learn how you can use the AutoVFX plugin to level up your next music videos, and don't forget you have a link to it in the description. We also have some cool other plugins that will definitely speed up your workflow, so check them out as well. And don't forget, follow us on Instagram because each Friday we have the Discount Friday event where you can win a 50% discount code on any plugin you want.